Please. Assalamu alaikum everyone. In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most beneficent, all the praise be to Lord. At the outset of today's class, I'd like to thank my Lord for creating me as a human being and sending me in this wonderful earth. Later on, I'd like to convey my heartiest gratitude and the veneration to the founder of this institution, who found an excellent institution in Hathazari. Besides, I'd like to thank the students of Prime English Academy who have completed their course from here successfully. And I'm really thankful to the students of this batch for joining in today's wonderful session of the class. I'm really thrilled to be here in this splendid afternoon. It's an immense opportunity for the students of the Prime English Academy for joining in the class, for practicing spoken English. We try to provide best facilities for the students of the Prime English Academy for developing their capability to speak in English. And we have different types of activities in Prime English Academy. You know, these are all the activities for improving our speaking skills. So if we do not join these types of activities, if we do not perform these types of activities, we are unable to fluent in English language. To be fluent in English, of course, you have to join these types of program. You have to join in conversation. You have to join in practicing asking questions and answering. You have to join in picture description. You have to join in two-way discussion program. You have to join in movie class, and you have to join in group conversation. And we can join new students of the Prime English Academy, and we can join to talk with the older students of the Prime English Academy. We have these facilities here. So we provide these facilities for the students of Prime English Academy. If the students want to develop their speaking skills, of course, they will have lots of opportunities in Prime English Academy, sir. So you can enjoy the rest of the opportunities for being fluent in English. We have only one aim. This aim is to become more fluent in English language. So I think you have understood the importance of it, and you have understood about the importance of a spoken English language. That's why you have been here today. So there are some students, of course, they will speak how they learned a spoken English language from here, and they will talk about the activities of the Prime English Academy. And of course, you all have been introduced with the activities of the Prime English Academy. What are the activities we provide for the students of the Prime English Academy? As a moderator of today's program, or as a moderator of today's class, I'd like to say you something how you'll be fluent in English language. To be fluent in English, what types of steps do you have to take? What pragmatic steps do you have to take to become fluent in English language? If you want to develop your speaking skills, of course, first you have to make an English environment. The environment will help you to develop your speaking skills. In the classroom, you will get proper spoken English environment in the class. So we try our best to make an English environment in Prime English Academy. So if you be here, if you join in our chat club, if you join in our class, so I think you'll be able to develop your speaking skills. So another important thing to develop your speaking skills, that is practice yourself. When you get home, when you go home, just try to practice yourself. Or you can practice, using mirror. Mirror practice is the best way to develop your speaking skills. The topics which you have practiced in the classroom, the lessons which you have practiced in the classroom, those lessons should apply in you when you get your home. So this is the process how you'll practice at your home, but we don't give any home tasks to the students to perform at home. Just we try to do all the things at our class. So do not try to miss any class of your courses. If you do all the classes of the Prime English Academy, so I think you will be able to develop your speaking skills. So there are lots of things to develop your speaking skills. The things which we provide for the students, those who want to be fluent in English language. So here we have some students of the Prime English Academy. They will talk to you about how they learned a spoken English language from this institution. and how they are performing. Just they will talk about the feelings to taking the goods from here. There are lots of newcomers, so they will share their views about how they learned spoken English and how they are learning spoken English language from this institution. So, I'd like to call one by one to come to the stage to have few words on today's program. So here I'd like to request Mr. Alauddin Saber, who is the assistant teacher of the Prime English Academy. I'd like to request him to come to the stage to have few words about today's program.